Hi everybody, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am about to do a real quick tutorial of a quick, fast makeup look that you can just run around with, turn on your camera with for all your Zoom or Teams meetings, that kind of thing. So I'm going to just get started with that, and then we'll show the final look. So I have here Urban Decay's Optical Illusion Primer. Just a quick start with that. You need primer for everything, okay? Then I'm going to use e.l.f.'s Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in medium, light medium. Many years ago, Goss makeup artist on YouTube, that you set your primer and it just helps your makeup stay on this very thing. So you should check out my blog under Beauty Bliss and you'll see a post on that. This is the Lip Bar's Fast Face Foundation. I did a Black Owned Beauty Brands video on the Lip Bar. This is their Skin Serum Foundation in 301. And I'm just going to hit that around. Get it on there. And then you can use my beauty blender. But it does have this wind-up brush. Meetings on camera, where you just turn the camera on for an hour or two here and there. So I'm taking a damp sponge and just pressing this in, the Lip Bar foundation in. Just evening me out. So I'm not really looking for full coverage. When I do that, you end up not seeing my freckles. You can see all my freckles and things going on. So this just helps to give a even tone with just one coat. Okay? Alrighty. This is by Under Eye It Cosmetics. Wonderful thing. Using this finger. You use that because that finger is very gentle compared to all the others. You won't overdo it with that delicate skin under your eye especially. Okay? And running it over some of my little freckles here. That highlight that goes right down the middle. Not doing too much. A little bit of the Prime and Stay e.l.f. that I set the Lip Bar foundation with, just to get us started. Brows. So this is a little brow gel to mark out the outline and control the little flyaways I have in my own brow hair. This is Maybelline Studio Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. This is Juvia's concealer. Just taking a little off the stem. Turn the brush over, get more product, and bring it down. the top. Just gives you a cleaner look. Go across the middle. That's how I make sure they're even on sight and can fix and going through the middle. I'm going to put a little bit of Fenty Beauty eye primer for the rest of my lid. And I'm going to dust that with a little stay powder all the way to the brow. Take my damp sponge and blending this a little bit before it gets too dry. Okay, because we've already put on our foundation, and I'm just pressing that in. Okay, let's see what we got with these shadow sticks. Now these be fierce, be free, be fearless, 8-piece shadow sticks, and these are the colors that they come in the crease. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's bring this in a little. Has a nice little shimmer to it. This to the mahogany. This is Beachy Bronze and Copper Caviar right on the lid. Okay, just a little blending effort up here. I'm adding on to it with a teal type color out of my Saharan 2 by Julia. We just add that, and now it looks like a teal, a greenish teal kind of thing. Looks and feel. And right here I'm putting a peachy color out of my Saharan 2 just to go up into the brow, from the tear duct to the brow. And I'm just going right into that pearlized white right under the brow. Okay. I'm just going to do some overall blending. Make sure we don't have orgasm with the little teeny mirror. Bronzy red to deepen my blush a little out of the Saharan 2 palette. I'm using my Zulu palette for this. That middle color that I used as blush, even though it's eyeshadow. That's what is going in my waterline and up. I've always put my glue on my lid. And the first time I tried it till now, it's just, that's what works for me. I know they're coming out with all kind of stuff that you can just put directly on here, but like a pin. Okay. Brush again. I hope it's set where you want it. That's a herring too. Go back over. Here I got some extra glue. Unnecessary. Okay, we fixed that. But my lash is saying, no, not today. I'm not acting like today. You thought I was going to act right, but I ain't. Okay? That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing with our brows. See, it's not really lined up. So we gonna fix that. Plus put a few hair-like strokes in the front. And go down the brow. Okay? Look at some of my hairs. This is the Milani Weekend Brow. It has a felt tip that's very thin, so you really can draw like individual hairs. Look at the difference. Okay, I'm back, and this is my face, my lips. This is the look for my times I have to turn on the camera today, and I have some errands to run as well, so I have to actually get out of the car. But I'm still grateful. Grateful none of my family has the virus, and grateful that I can telework, that my job is of such a, grateful that I can telework. I'm grateful that my job is of such that I can completely do my work from home and not miss a beat. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, share this video. I appreciate you joining the QLife fam. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Please share the video. I appreciate every minute that you spend on my channel. I appreciate every sub. You guys, I'm on my track trying to be monetized, and I got a long way to go. I'm trying to first hit 100 subscribers, so I'm really struggling, and I appreciate everything that you do by watching. And I appreciate you sharing comments and spending time. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate that. Look around the channel. There's a little something for everybody here. I'm sure there's something else you will like as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.